Greetings and hello again, everyone. Michael McCabe in the flesh again. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded anything. That's only because the last time I tried, putting together Deal or No Deal Revenge, we had some problems, so that's currently on a temporary hold right now, but I promise you that will come soon. But that's not what we're here to talk about. Obviously, as you can tell by my clothes, I am dressed in my Formula One Scuderia Ferrari gear because today I met up with a good friend of mine. Finally got to meet Jason. We met at Splitsville today, and then we had a little walk around, and we stopped at the Lego store, and he explained to me about the little Lego car sets that, he wanted to get me. And it just so happens, while we were there, we found them. This is a small set of a Speed Champions Formula One Ferrari car. I bought myself one, and Jason bought one for himself. And this video was also by request of him. So what we're going to do is, we're going to unbox this, and we're going to put it together. Now, I won't bore you with just doing it in normal time. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to film a time lapse of me putting this car together, and then show you the finished product. Sound great? Let's do this. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The finished Scuderia Ferrari Formula One Speed Champions Lego set. Now that the car's complete, we can take our little Ferrari minifigure, who we will imagine is Charles Leclerc, because he doesn't look like Lewis Hamilton. Fit him in there. Put his arms. That's embarrassing. Excuse me, folks. Fit him in there, and he is ready to go. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. And if you made it to the end, thank you. And I hope you enjoyed the building of this Scuderia Ferrari race car. And Jason, this is for you, man. Can't wait to see you when you build yours. Have fun tomorrow. And for all the rest of you guys, thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And remember, apologies in advance if I say this wrong, but Essere Ferrari.